Shush, Winnie. Winnie, shush. Right, look, we're on. Shush, 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 shush. Not very professional. Anyway, welcome to the blog. We are in the most beautiful place that I have never been before, which isn't very far from a place called Fowey, if you want to look that up on the map. I don't want to say where it is because it's too beautiful, but show them where it is, and then I'm just deciding whether we'll let people know where this is.
Look at that. I am here. I'm behind the camera.
Yeah.
This is so we've just been to Lanhydrock, haven't we? Just to sort of give Winnie a runabout.
We were looking for a pub.
Yeah, unusual for us. We wanted somewhere with a pub with boats, and we're basically the flotilla, the Jubilee flotilla is going to go by presently because they couldn't do it on the day because of the tides. So, are you going to tell them where we are?
We're in Golant.
It's gorge, isn't it? Oh look, jet skis. Look at that, jet skis. It's how very nice.
Oh, this is, oh well, we're moving here.
There's a house for sale just down there. It's not actually, in actual fact, yeah, we could do that because it's not too far from the station at which I work. Be a bit of a travel for you, but...
No, I'll transfer.
So, anyway, we're going to wait for the flotilla. I think we're actually going to have something to eat as well. And then...
No, I want to live here.
You really mean that, didn't you?
Yeah, in this pub. No, this is... I'm like... speechless.
We're just saying, look at the... Well, we was just debating if we could moor our boat here. And I said, yes, we could, because there's lots of swing moorings. And as it's on the Fowey estuary, there is lots of depth. So mooring it here is not going to be an issue.
No, stop.
So Winnie's being a bit rebellious. Right. We'll be back. We'll be back.
Sorry, I'm just...
when the flotilla comes past.
I know we're here on a beautiful day, but look at this place. As you come down the hill, you see that bit.
Hang on, sorry, let's point to that.
It's quite a hill coming down. So if you show the bit behind you, how steep that is to come down. As you're coming down the hill, you see the river, and it's not till you get down quite low that you see this inlet bit, and it's accessible by a little bridge. And paddle boarding, canoeing. Oh, yeah. I could do my shifts and then just spend my time here.
On a boat?
Oh, on a boat, walking, swimming, I don't care.
Right. We'll be back as the boats go by, I think. Well, we just had to move seats because it was getting a bit chilly up there. We're now in the sunshine. We can still just about see, let's show you the view we've got now. So that's the view we've got now. So we can kind of see just over that sort of embankment. And hopefully all the boats are going to go down there. But how lovely is this? I can't believe I've never ever been here, and we live just round the corner. So Lisa's just discovered something, haven't you?
The road is disappearing.
Look at this. So look,
this is the way we came in.
Yeah, we came in down here. That is kind of funny. So I need to get my tide table out and work out.
I'm assuming we can get out from the other side.
I don't know. You might not be able to. Oh, there's a road up there. You can go up there. Yeah. So, but there you go. The road's disappearing. How funny is that?
Floated away. Sit down, my
So we've just been talking to this gentleman, and I think he's happy the car's okay, but he's going to go through and move the car just in case. Just in case his car floats. So I hope he just remembers where the road is.
He's moving more because you think my girl's just nervous. Front end over falling. Yeah. You'll see him as I come down here.
That's delicious.
Can you see that?
Yeah, they're sort of turning just there. But there's a boat just hovering along in the background. Now the old Range Rover's laughing because he's got loads of clearance.
I don't know what the table numbers are. Oh, it's coming round again. Sit down, Winnie, please. No way. He's doing some Henry fries. I think that's.
So I kind of forgot to mention the food when it arrived, but that's just. We've had a bit of a feast, really, haven't we?
Prawns, mushrooms, Henry fries, pizza.
And
I said Henry fries.
yeah, and
And what?
the bubbly stuff in the glass.
This stuff.
No, the bubbly stuff in the
Oh,
glass.
that.
Yeah.
You said food.
Yeah, and well, I was just sort of summarising.
Oh, it's not exciting now. Oh, it's receded.
Oh, you've just seen some footage of some vehicles going through, which was kind of funny.
Last mushroom.
What's this called? Is this the Fisherman's Arms? It's bloody lovely.
Right on the water.
Literally. Right. Let's carry on eating and drinking. gorgeous is this? This is on the slipway of the Golant River Users Association, and they're having their Jubilee celebrations, which they couldn't hold due to the tide apparently. We've got some lovely little boats here.